What's going on, ladies and gents? Today we're going to be working on my 2013 Road Glide. A quick little backstory, I bought some aftermarket exhaust that didn't quite fit right. And as you can see, I sort of started without you guys. I'm sorry, forgive me. So starting with this large dent in the side of the front pipe, that's so it doesn't collide with the mounting bracket for my runner board. Don't worry, you won't be able to see it. Next, I want to weld the baffles in. Now, the manufacturer had the bright idea to weld a nut to the baffle and then just screw it in from the outside. So I got an even brighter idea to put a screw into the hole and then chop it off and then weld it in. Now, there's a bunch of different ways I could have done this, but this seemed like the best idea in my eyes. Oh, and spoiler alert, it works just fine, okay? Okay, as you can see, I am not the best welder in the world. Let's turn that on. And yeah, it looks okay, but in the end, I'm just gonna sand it all off. It'll be smooth, you won't be able to tell it's there. I also did a ugly one down in there, but hey, you know what? It's gonna work. So don't judge me, okay? Well, you could probably hear me now. Jeez. Hi guys, it's my first time. It's my first time ever recording a video. I have no idea what I'm doing. Hello? Okay. God dang it, dude. Okay. Well, I have been talking, and I was like, oh yeah, I'll just shut my lav off while I do all this sanding and crap, because nobody's gonna be able to hear me anyway. It's not like you guys want to hear me anyway. Me. I like to hear your voice. Sometimes you're pretty informative. Thanks, Timmy. Really appreciate it. This is the last time I get to use this thing as a frickin' paint hanger. God dang it. I'm contemplating if I want to paint these parts up in here, because they were already painted when I got them. The issue is it was flaking there, and I don't know if I should paint them because of that. Do you know what I'm saying, man? Of course you know what I'm saying. That's not a good place. I don't know. I think that this will work. As long as it doesn't go sliding down, I think it'll be all right. No, it won't. Hang it upside down. Well, I just don't want that to be too intrusive, you know? Yeah. That's exactly what I didn't want it to do. I don't want it to go ziplining. Okay, let me get my pliers. I think that'll work. Hello, future me. God, I'm an idiot. These here, is it sliding more? What the heck? Okay, this here, we're gonna see if this is a gimmick or gospel. Yes, sir. We're gonna see if it actually works. And if it does, then, you know, we're gonna be in business. You know what's really cool? You know what's really cool about recording audio and video on your phone? Is it likes to just stop recording, you know? Then you're over here talking to the camera and you're like, yeah, this, and this, and you know, blah, 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 and probably wasn't interesting anyway, but I wanted to talk to you guys, hello. Well, anyway, I got them painted and I used the whole can and it looks pretty good to me. What do you think, dog? Hey, do you think it looks good? He agrees. Thinks it looks good. Okay, let's hang it up and wait for it to dry. Okay, now that the pipes are dry, we want to put them back on because they're usable. And make this thing so we can get it running, right? And we'll put this back together and make sure it's all working properly and then we're gonna work on the heat shields. Now, this is the one, see, this is where I modified the front, right? So that's supposed to go over that. But in here, this is where these metal straps go through, and we're going to have to cut this. I'm not entirely sure where. So that's part of the process, is when we get this back on and mounted and ready to go, I'm gonna try to put this in here and kind of get an eyeball and just cut it back layer by layer. We're gonna do strips of it. So I'm gonna probably do something like this and then like that, you know, just like a kind of like a soft L shape or something out of this corner to kind of make room for this part of the runner board. I don't think we have to do anything else. Get it mounted. Oh, this back one, as you probably saw, it has all these marks on it, and that's because when I tried to mount it in there, see, the rear one will sit up in here like this, right? And it sits like that, and you can see there's almost no gap right there. So that's the issue, see? So this hits the block, or the cylinder head, and probably gonna end up having to cut this out, which might be an issue because that strap is right there, or the mount where the strap goes through is there. So we'll see. I'm probably gonna have to cut all this out and then, you know, hope for the best. Yeah, let's get into it. I probably could have used these again, but I had an exhaust leak last time I did that. I actually took my exhaust off and then these ones were actually leaking as well. So I don't want that issue in the future. So we're just I'm gonna clean this out in here and put the new ones in. These rings, I don't know if you can see it or not, they have a special little bevel on them, and they sit inside this groove, and it's pretty much just a pressure fit. What up? Okay, let's see.
Maybe.
Come on.
Just a little bit more juice. Try it one more time. No.
Ain't gonna do it.
Ain't gonna
Okay.
do it. Ain't gonna do it.
All right.
Put the charger on it.
Bum, 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 bum. Did you just spray yourself?
I think so.
You grab the trigger to.
How do you get this off?
You gotta pull it straight back. Yeah, like that.
It really helps.
Yeah, for real. Okay, here goes nothing.
Andy Moran, don't wait another day. It's time to...
You wouldn't be able to feel it.
All right, so now that we have the heat shields painted, which they should be good. Not perfect, but not terrible. Let's get them on and we'll go for a test ride. Yeah. Hey guys, it's finished.